Hi everyone, this is my first program that I found. It's actually one that we use at our school because it ties in. We have a school-wide PBIS, and so everybody at our school uses this as an part of the behavior plan with PBIS. Ours is heroes, and so every letter has a word that goes along with it to ensure honesty, engagement, and stuff like that. And so this is what it looks like when you get on it. And as you can see over here to the right, it says my school. And so there's me in here, and then there's 25 more other teachers. Our art teacher is in charge of the PBIS school team. And so she goes in and she's the one who actually does the whole program and putting everybody in under the school. We tried it one year with us teachers going in and adding the school, but then it just became a mess because not every teacher was linked to it. And when not everyone's linked to it, like say they're being on task in the lunchroom, and the lunch monitor would then not be able to give them their points. And so by points, what I mean is if you go here and click on my class, I have all of my kiddos and they all have their little monster people, and the number by them is their amount of points that they have. And you can give them points for individual things, or you can give the whole class a point. So say if I wanted to give this student a point, when you click on it, it gives you options for why you're giving the point to that student. And then as a whole class incentive, we come up with, and we edit them a little throughout the year. The kids get to come up with ideas of things that they could cash their points in, because every Friday we have the store day where you can put your points in for, we try not to do candy and stuff. We try to do bring a stuffed animal to school or eat lunch in the classroom and type of things like that. Extra recess for a whole class. So we have a column of individual rewards they can cash their points in for, and also into whole class rewards. So they can choose if they want to just cash their points in on their own or put them in towards our class pool, where then they could get a bigger reward that everybody gets to do. And so then this is, you just click it and then it would it makes a little ding and then it gives them their point. And then we do that. This is the whole school that uses this as a part, like I said, of our PBIS school thing. So this kind of falls into that behavior, social, emotional. Also, though it's a school policy, it's written into our school non-negotiables. So it is something that all teachers are supposed to be using and implementing in their classrooms. So it can be a school-wide plan. And this falls into the leader area, I think, under the 2B and the 2C, with using the technology to reach all learners, and also modeling for colleagues, because there are still some colleagues who are not, unfortunately, using this like they should be. So that is my first video.